Okay. Should we move on to Arvind Kejriwal? First, I must tell you the most amusing thing about this is that the judge who gave bail to Arvind Kejriwal yesterday is called Niyaya Bindu. Niyaya Bindu OP in chat, first thing, because Niyaya Bindu has been kicking ass. Niyaya Bindu, Justice Niyaya Bindu, Judge Niyaya Bindu, she had given bail to Arvind Kejriwal yesterday in a trial court, and she did not hold back her words. Yes, Niyaya Bindu. It's Niyaya Bindu. I've been corrected. It is not Nyaya Bindu. It is Niyay Bindu. Nyaya Bindu basically is the name of the judge who gave bail to Arvind Kejriwal. Okay, let's start from the beginning a little bit. So, the year is 2022 and not Arvind Kejriwal, Aam Aadmi Party is accused of doing a liquor scam. Liquor scam being they changed the excise policy in Delhi. Basically, they wanted the government to get out of the booze business and give it to private players. As I keep repeating, Delhi had a few glorious months during that time. 2-3 months of blissful abundance of alcohol. Many new brands were launched. Many experimental drinks suddenly started coming in the market. It was great. But then allegedly, the UP government and the Haryana government got pissed off, because what happened is that Delhi became such a paradise for booze that UP Noida wale people and Gurgaon wale people, they started coming to Delhi and taking their booze to their own places. Earlier, what used to happen? Delhi people used to go to Gurgaon and Noida and bring the booze back because सस्ता है उधर, वेराइटी ज़्यादा है. So now, because competition, because revenue कम हो रहा है दोनों states का, screw with a Kejriwal and whatever policy. That is my theory. But I'm pretty sure that happened. Anyway, BJP then suddenly is like, haha, we are going to go after Aam Aadmi Party. So then they start sending ED after them. Now, ED, over a course of investigation, discovers there is this thing called the South Gang. Not kidding. It's called South Gang, which is like this group of shady people from the South who run illicit alcohol businesses. And they were associated with the Aam Aadmi Party. And they give bribes to the Aam Aadmi Party to change the laws. And those bribes were then used in the Goa elections. So that was the whole theory that ED came up with. They said 100 crore were used in the Goa elections, and then they were like, go after the boss, which is Arvind Kejriwal. So they get like a few people to say things. Basically, they call in, like, they arrest a bunch of people under the PMLA Act, and which doesn't give bail. It's a very shady act where getting bail is very difficult. So then they arrest like Sharath Reddy and Magunta Reddy's son. Magunta Reddy is one of the South group people. Minor details. There are a few people they arrest. Now, these people, they do not take Kejriwal's name after multiple attempts, after months of asking them, they don't take names. Then, after that, suddenly, out of nowhere, three of them turn actually, and then they get bail. So they'll let go. Sharath Reddy also deposits some money in the BJP accounts, Aurobindo Pharma, because electoral bonds say jayenge wahan pe, and then he also gets a bail. That's essentially what happened. Now, there were many things happening in court, right? So Arvind Kejriwal is arrested in March, right before the elections, and he goes for anticipatory bail, but then the anticipatory bail is cancelled, so he's arrested. Some people say that because he gave for anticipatory bail is why he was arrested, because then the people were like, oh, isko to bail nahi milne wala, arrest kar lo. Theory. But he's arrested. Then they initially put in an application for bail in the Supreme Court, but they withdrew it because there is this judge called Swarna Kanta Sharma who is notorious for not giving bail to opposition people at this point of time. So everybody is sus. Ki, oh my God, if this person is going to handle our they think better not do it. So they withdrew it. Then Abhishek Manu Singhvi, who is the lawyer of Arvind Kejriwal, he comes up with a genius plan. He's like, you know what? Let's not ask for bail. Let's challenge the arrest itself. So this genius plan was unfolding. It was going on simultaneously in High Court and in Supreme Court. Then Supreme Court basically gave Arvind Kejriwal leave before the elections to campaign. But the condition was that June 2nd is when he would surrender himself to Tihar again and go back to jail. So he was out there for 20 days campaigning. Then he goes back to jail, right? After the campaigning is done. So far, so good. Also during that time, Kejriwal also asked for one more thing, which is, please, can you extend? I have to go do tests, medical tests. But then the court is like, no. And he's in jail. Fast forward to yesterday, which is 20th of June. 20th of June is when Arvind Kejriwal's team goes to lower court, right? To trial court to basically get bail. Now, in that court, this is what happens. This is where Nyaya Bindu enters the story. Judge Nyaya Bindu, who is OP, enters the story. So, Nyaya Bindu says that some of the things are very, very interesting. This was shared by Arvind Gunasekar. Although various bulky documents and citations have been filed by both parties, most of which were not even relevant in respect of the present application. But it seems that both the parties have filed the same along with detailed oral arguments with apprehensions as to the orders may be presented in favor of the opposing party. Lawyer speak. In the recent past, Honorable Supreme Court and Honorable Chief Justice of India has been encouraging the trial courts to take up such matters and decide the same. Recently, on CBI Day celebration, Honorable Chief Justice, while addressing the gathering and perceiving the difficult and cumbersome task being done by trial court special judges attending CBI and ET matters, passed encouraging remarks for such courts for their motivation and inspiration. This is a call of the day that the government authorities as well as I Court want to reduce the pendency of cases and to expedite proceedings. I'll translate. What Nyaya Bindu here is trying to say is that there are a ton of pending cases everywhere, right? So what the Chief Justice was saying was that in case of bail matters, if lower courts start giving bail, it doesn't have to go till the Supreme Court to give bail. The lower courts can take a call. The Chief Justice was saying, guys, be brave. Special judges, lower courts, be brave, give bail. Nyaya Bindu heard him and was like, yes, sir, responsibility I take. I give bail. And who does she give bail to? Arvind Kejriwal. What a OP. That's why I say Nyaya Bindu OP. I'm not kidding when I say Nyaya Bindu OP, okay? Anyway, Judge Nyaya Bindu is like, yes, we heard you, Chief Justice of India, we give bail. And how does she give bail? She gives bail in a law which even the Supreme Court was reluctant to give bail till now, PMLA, which has this provision that you can't get bail until you have been completely proven innocent, which is a shitty law to begin with. But Judge Nyaya Bindu is like, PMLA, tu ruk, le bail. Nice. This is also again, Judge Nyaya Bindu continues. The beautiful phrase of Lord Chief Justice Hewart, that is, justice should not only be done but seen to be done, is used in common world as one of the important aspects of legal system. If an accused has underwent the atrocities of the system till his innocence is realized, then he could never be able to conceive that justice has actually been done in his favor. What a word. So this is where Nyaya Bindu is talking about PMLA. Okay, Judge Nyaya Bindu. My bad. Honorable Judge Nyaya Bindu. Honorable Shri Sir Judge Nyaya Bindu, who totally deserves that title, unironically. ED is again and again pressing upon the twin conditions available under Section 45 of the PMLA. This is the section I'm talking about, where it's very difficult to get bail. To fortify its arguments that the aspect of bail under PMLA is altogether different from the provisions of bail under CRPC, but one consideration is not being taken care of by ED, that even for implicating a person as an accused... Hello, I'm working. Hello, क्या कर रहा है? उफ, इसका Zoom call चालू हो गया. Sorry, provisions of bail under CRPC, but one consideration is not being taken care of by ED, that even for implicating a person as an accused in such a criminal matter is also required to be done under certain guidelines and legal procedures. Maxim of law that every person must be presumed innocent until proven guilty seems to be not applicable in the given case in respect of the present accused. This last line, everybody has been saying this. No judge is saying this, but Judge Nyaya Bindu was like, I will say it. Put it in an order. Bail order. PMLA. Bhai. And it's such a basic thing. Exactly, Vishnu. It is such a basic thing. You are innocent until proven guilty. What does the PMLA do? You are guilty until you are proven innocent and तुमको bail भी नहीं मिलेगा. तो सड़ो तुम जेल में. There is our other friend Manish Sisodia who is there. There is of course Sanjay Singh who got bail. But Kejriwal is also there. So this happens. Then part 2 of the story. Part 2 being that he gets bail yesterday. Everybody's like, yeah, welcome back, Arvind Kejriwal. And subah Aam Aadmi Party people start celebrating. Oh, Kejriwal is coming back. Kejriwal is coming back. But no, ED is like, ऐसे कैसे जाने देंगे? So ED rushes to the High Court and is like, stay karo. Stay this. We are not, no, this is not, no, stay, bring stay. So, the court had a hearing again today, High Court, which went on for a while. The main argument that the ED was making in High Court was that the lower court, the Judge Nyaya Bindu has given us no time to basically give our statements and arguments. The second is that bail milna nahi chahiye because PMLA says you're guilty until you're innocent. How can you get bail? Third, they said that in Supreme Court, they gave him leave, but that doesn't mean he got bail. Oh yeah, and fourth is basically they did the whole thing again about, we are able to prove now that Aam Aadmi Party has spent some money. And I'll show you how they prove it. You want to see evidence that the ED has given? Chat? If you want to see evidence, say hi. It is funny as hell. This is going to get so funny. Oh my god. Presenting the ED's evidence against Arvind Kejriwal. Step 1. What do you have to do? You have to connect the South group with Aam Aadmi Party spending money in Goa. So how do they do it? Flowchart time. This is the flowchart. I can't zoom this in much because Twitter pe I can't. Sorry. But you can maybe look at it later, like by zooming in ऐसे करके. मैं बताता है क्या है? बताता है कितना layer है देखो, मस्त है एकदम. So there is South group, right, which is South gang, South group, all the people. Then there is Abhishek Boinpalli on both sides, which goes to Vijay Nair on one side. Vijay Nair is OML guy who was arrested. Then goes to Damodar / Rajesh Joshi. That is 12 crore, okay? Then goes to Ashok Chandu. Then goes to Kantilal Patel. Then goes to Sagar Patel of R. Kantilal Patel. Then goes to Prince Chanpreet and Rajiv Monkar. There's a person called Prince. Okay. And then use in app election campaign. But we are not done. उस साइड में अभिषेक Boinapalli goes to Ashok Kaushik, PS of K Kavita. K Kavita is in also jail, by the way, because Ashok Kaushik. Ashish Mathur, Vinod Chauhan. Okay, remember this name, huh? Vinod Chauhan, because उस पे भी और evidence है. मैं बताता है. WhatsApp chats आने वाले इसके बाद. 25 crore to Chandan /Sarvesh. It goes to Hasmukh /Ishwar /Jagat Singh, who is Ma Ambe. And Vishal, who is Neelkant, and Amba Delhi. Then again Kantilal Patel, yada. Again Prince, whatever. Then 7 crore, Gautam Mutha, India head, goes to Arvind Singh, India head, then goes to Devang Solanki, then Atul Doshi, then Jagdish Sharma, Kantilal Mumbai, then goes to Kantilal Patel again, and then do here. So 45 crore out of the 100 crore, they have apparently traced flowing like this, right? So all of these people are the accused. Again, in the evidence, they have not really named Arvind Kejriwal, but what their now claim is, which is again the most bizarre thing, they have said that Aam Aadmi Party is now a Section 70 company. It is not a political party because they wanted to connect Aam Aadmi Party spending money to their boss, which is Arvind Kejriwal, yada yada, convener. So now they've just told the court ki, what political party? It's a company. That's how they're connecting. That's an important link. But anyway, moving on. Relationship of Shri Vinod Chauhan with the accused Arvind Kejriwal. I told you to remember, na? So this is Vinod Chauhan here, right? Ashish Mathur / Vinod Chauhan, which is 25 crore. Okay, so now we'll establish relationship. Shri Vinod Chauhan as depicted in the flowchart above. And in paras above handled was responsibility of 25 crore from Delhi to Goa, which was received by Shri Abhishek Boinapalli, representative of South Group, who also handled cash transfer. Is pertinent to note that Vinod Chauhan, ये क्या स्पेलिंग क्यों चेंज होता रहता है इसका मुझे समझ में नहीं आया. Chauhan suddenly became German or what? Chauhan is not unrelated person known or unassociated with the AAP leaders, but is very much a close associate of accused Shri Arvind Kejriwal. Dun, dun, dun. The examination of the digital device of Shri Vinod Chauhan has revealed chats revealing a close relationship between Vinod Chauhan and Arvind Kejriwal. Chats are produced below. रुको. थोड़ा रुको. Yes, needed this. Okay. The chats are produced as below. Good morning, sir. As requested earlier, Justice whatever Judge, Patna High Court, is desirous to meet you. He has been judge of HC since whatever, is presently in Chandigarh and can visit any day from Sunday till Tuesday. He is my friend. Please give time as per your convenience. Warm regards. Sure. Thank you so much, sir. Monday. Many happy returns of the day, sir. Vinod Chauhan. Thank you, Chauhan Sahib. The acknowledgement by Shri Arvind Kejriwal is a proof that he was closely associated with Shri Vinod Chauhan. Further, Shri Vinod Chauhan's proximity is also visible from the fact that he was managing postings of officers of Delhi Jal Board through Shri Arvind Kejriwal. The same is evident from the below chat and also screenshot of an official note of the Delhi government which approved such posting. Namaskar, respected sir. I am highly grateful and have no word to convey my gratitude for your great trust and blessing on me for considering extension of my post-retirement services as member water in DJB after 31st/12/2020. This is a message from 2020. And then he said that, oh yes, sir, I fell ill because of COVID. Please let's meet. I can get a appointment. Sure, let's meet. Best wishes. God bless you. My luck to get your blessings always. This is connection between very much a close associate of the accused Shri Arvind Kejriwal. This is the proof, burning proof that the ED has given. Bro, this is so dumb. Exactly. It's so dumb. Oh my God. I can't believe this is the kind of quality of evidence that is being presented in court. It's school ki ladai. Exactly. And you said things gonna be better in the third term. Oh, absolutely, Ashish Tiwari, and I maintain it. Absolutely, it's going to be better. What are you talking about? So, okay, I will name one person. Justice Nyaya Bindu is proof that things are going to get better. Small trial court judge, from what I hear, is in her 30s, young judge, woman judge, goes against everyone in a PMLA case about the Delhi chief minister. Justice Nyaya Bindu, remember that name. It's like how, there is this Mordor. Do you know Mordor? Have you guys read Lord of the Rings? Where, the eye of Saruman comes and there are like fire and heat everywhere. There is scorched earth everywhere. Oh my God, it's spreading. The blight is spreading. The blight is spreading. Right. And then when the eye is shut down or it's like weakening, the blight comes back. The blight comes back. But how does it come back? There are like these tiny, tiny shoots that come out. Like, that shoot ऐसे, pop, yeah, with like leaves ऐसे करके बाहर निकलते हैं ना. Sauron. अरे भाई, sorry nerds, sorry. I know this is the forum where I have to be pronouncing it correctly. Sauron. Don't distract me. The blight, leaves come out. So one of the leaf has the name Nyaya Bindu written on it, okay? That is what is happening. Since I started this stream, by the way, live stream 8 months ago, this has been my consistent stand that I'm hopeful. And it has been going well so far, I would say. I was hopeful about electoral bonds. Happened. I was hopeful that नहीं कुछ तो नुकसान होना चाहिए मोदी जी को, मतलब थोड़ा सा तो मतलब people please. भाई हुआ, बहुत नुकसान हुआ. I was थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही expectation से नुकसान हो गया. Yeah, so I have hope.